Hi everybody, my name is Chloe and today I will show you how you can use a very useful website if you are a psychologist or are planning to be one. The website is a psychology glossary made by the American Psychological Association. It is complete and can come in handy anytime. So I've been studying social science for 2 years at Antec College. Social science is a vast program and what interests me the most about it is psychology. I recently got accepted in psychology at University of Montreal. I would like to be a clinical psychologist, which is someone who studies their patient's mind and tries to help the patient doing better. By doing so, I will need to write down my patient's diagnostics. That may be a challenge because there are a lot of complicated words related to psychology, and if I want psychiatrists and colleagues to acknowledge my good work, I need to write them correctly and be sure that I know their meaning. Okay, so let's open the website by adding a new tab. In the address bar, at the top of the screen in the middle, just type out the URL, which is dictionary.apa.org. In the top right corner of the screen, there is a submit button if you want to join the association. In the top left corner of the screen, there is the APA logo. Just under the logo, there is a navigation menu if you want to check other things out. For example, there is the Psychology Help Center that is full of resources if you need help and a lot of information and advice if you want to have a better mental health. Okay, so if we come back, we can see in the middle of the screen that every letter is marked down. By clicking on any of them, let's say the C, a lot of words related to psychology are listed and you can see them all by scrolling down. By clicking on any of them, let's say central nervous system, it will give you the definition and you can even click on other words that are hyperlinked, just like neurons. Okay, so for my field of study, all these words and their definition can be useful because if I need to write down some words in my patient's diagnostics, I need to make sure I write it correctly and it really is the word I'm looking for. For example, if I suspect one of my patients of being schizophrenic, since it's a complicated word to write in a complex mental health disorder, I can click on the S and scroll down until I find it. And there it is. I can then write it correctly and read the definition. Since the website is made by the official association, there is even a brief description of the information that is in the DSM, which is the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders. I can then make sure that my patient really suffers from that disorder. So that's how this website works and why it can be useful to any psychologist. I hope it helped. Have a great day and thank you for watching.